Yeah, put on it.
Yeah. Sometimes
Yeah.
the vocal and clear.
Yeah.
I know sometimes the nice background and the thing like that.
Yeah, family. So we're there with One Love Africa. And we are drive in a Kenya family in a place called Gashir in the Kiambu County. You know what I mean? It's like which way I call this in Jamaica now? Like
A area?
like a
We still go look into it away there yet, but we'll see.
So I mean the people know Nairobi set up. So Nairobi is like a city and Kiambu is like a you know what I mean, a close by like border Nairobi.
If the people know downtown,
yeah.
I say like a Denham town.
Denham town, yeah, look here, yeah, for real.
But no, Denham town more upgrade.
But you know, but you want a neighborhood, right? Cause look right now, we actually are going in the Porsche era right now. After we come out of this era family, we are going to the Porsche era right now. You are going to see.
Yes.
You are going to see for yourself what is going on right now because most people don't know how Kenya set up.
True.
You know what I mean? It's like 7 million people in Nairobi. And just me.
7 or 5?
Well, you know what I mean?
There's something like that.
Yeah.
Because Kenya is about 50 million people. The Kenya itself. All the people that you know.
Yeah.
People here, man.
See, family, so we come out and you see have a big estate over there so called Rosaline Estate.
On the left.
On the left. And then you guys see what I go on. So, you know what I mean? Nairobi has a little of everything for everybody.
True.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
It's a hub.
It's a hub.
Yeah, man. So even the road, you can see the road clean, flowers.
Yeah, flawless. And let me say, you know, no patrol.
You have flowers on the road, place, you know, bright up, beautiful like a spring.
Yeah. So, you know what I mean? If you see this and now forward back to Africa, I don't know what to tell you.
That's true, man. It's called the Back to Africa movements.
Yeah. I don't know if I tell you if I drive right now and you see what I go on.
That's true, that.
Yeah, man, see all a Muzungu there on a bike.
It's a whitey. On a bike, how safe it is.
Yeah, that's safe it is. People ride on bike over your people. Yeah.
Which a place nice.
Yeah,
Pass the next estate on the right and one on the left.
Yeah, one on the right, one on the left.
You have South, you have South B, South D and South C estate.
Yeah.
And these are Porsche estate. Actually, President of Pass.
Presidential click.
See? President and then crew of Pass.
Yeah. In Nairobi with the family. We going to Nairobi.
President. The Kenya drive out. The entourage.
Man, so we just, I just can see family on the road clean and nice in a Kenya.
Sweet road number.
So it's a record, you're gonna be the Kenya walk by. Walking in the Christmas Van corner.
No, sir. We put a walk by too. Right now,
that's a niche in the record, I tell you, any dog. That's a niche dog. If any brave man come over here and do that,
we can't do it, blow up. If you're afraid, we can't do it. We can't go places.
No, but
I want a place to go in.
I want a place you can go there, we're safe anyway. But I
want a place to go already.
But there's some people that know we're not too safe for them.
No, so, too safe. No,
everywhere's safe for them.
Yeah.
So, you know what I mean? But it's a niche.
Coming from Jamaica.
If you have a Kenya and Nairobi, you call it Nairobi walk by.
Walk by.
Yeah.
You know, coming from Jamaica in the streets now.
Yeah.
No, over a minor thing, you know?
Yeah, it's a minor thing.
Minor thing this man, baby thing this man. Always look at watching.
You feel like you can't go anywhere in Kenya. You just feel how weird. Like, there's no way. As a yard man, as a Jamaican.
As a Jamaican, you're safe.
You have a Jamaican shirt.
Anywhere you go, and you're a Jamaican, you're safe.
Yeah.
Once you're in Jamaica, you can go to any garrison.
But think about the record, you know, so really a year that a Jamaican die overseas. Like, you know what I mean? You know, like people mob them or do them something or thing. You know what I mean? Really ever hear that?
Really?
Really ever hear say, yo, I'm going to do a Jamaican something
mostly
outside.
America.
Yeah?
Mostly
really?
America.
Yeah, mostly America. But you never hear that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, really hear it anywhere else. Yeah, true attack. Really, you never hear that like that, right?
Yeah, man, so as a Jamaican, when you travel, trust me, your passport weak, But
What is the Jamaican
passport weak.
Jamaican
But
passport week, you know.
being a Jamaican make you strong.
Well, Jamaican passport week, you can have 50 countries or more.
No, me I say but it's weak, but me I say the passport weak, Ricardo, but
Whatever, you have 100 and something country.
yeah, but must 80th country.
Without ETA visa.
Yeah, but me I tell you say, yeah, all of those countries where you can't get visa to go into.
Yeah.
As a Jamaican, if you get visa to go into, you feel so good. The people treat you so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You feel like it's a celebrity.
There's so many places they can't go.
So that's why I tell you say the passport weak, but because you're Jamaican, it's strong.
Oh.
Yeah, because you can't go so you can't go like Australia and them place there.
Yeah.
But if you get a visa if you go there, and when you go and people know that you're Jamaican, the kind of treatment you get, your passport, you know what I mean?
That's true.
You feel
There's many
good.
places they can go, and there's many places they can't go.
But when you get to go there,
different vibe.
it's in your favor.
Yeah, it's your favor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So there's many places you can't go, but if you get a chance to go, it would be in your favor because you're a Jamaican.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's like the passport don't mean nothing, just being a Jamaican is like your passport.
Yes. Yeah. Yourself is a passport.
Yourself is a passport.
Yeah.
So
True.
yeah, you're higher than the Jamaican passport.
That's true.
Because
that's
if you have the passport and you can't get for going to the country.
Yeah.
But when you get a chance to get into the country, because it's a Jamaican, you get first class treatment.
Yes.
That means to say that
yourself
yourself is better than your passport.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yourself is better than your passport as a Jamaican.
As a Jamaican, yeah.
Jamaicans, but yourself as a Jamaican is stronger than the passport itself.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. And this passport thing should have be your passport should have rank high based on the amount of people that come into your country for tourism.
Yes.
That's how this thing should have worked, Ricardo.
Yes, that's true.
That's how this thing should have worked.
That's how it should work,
Yeah.
You know, it's right. I see you where it should work.
But I tell you right now,
it's not
all of them politicians.
How many people come in the country for tourism?
Yeah.
Because you know, some people that rush come in the country, their passport supposed to be strong.
Yeah.
You're right, you know.
You're right, yeah.
But you know, Babylon.
Them politicians, them not think.
Them not think. Them not
Because I'm tell you right now, most of the time, man like Donald Trump. So who you support for the election, Ricardo?
Me?
Yeah.
You know, me election talk, you know.
Election talk.
Me hold in the conversation. I don't really know about election. I don't really know about these things. So, me want to jump up and say the wrong thing and then me regret it after or get bash after because me ignorant tweets, you understand me that me don't know much about these things. Me don't know what Donald Trump do. Me don't know where what's your name? Crystal Harrison? Kamala Harrison, yeah.
Kamala.
Me don't know what she do either. So me know that she come to Africa. I try to legalize gays and try to do all kind of things. Wrong move that. You know, and she try to show like she's a black person, which she's not. And so she's from Jamaica, which is me not see that. But who is me to say? And Donald Trump never come to Africa before. Me never see Donald Trump come to Africa or anywhere in the Caribbean country them yet.
Yeah.
Never.
But there's a record, but Donald Trump is a man who I got to tell you straight to your face. He never come to Africa. So it's we as the African diaspora are supposed to come back to Africa and show Donald Trump say Africa is not a shithole.
Oh, well,
your family, so me I tell you say yo, Donald Trump we actually I tell you straight to your face, say yo, go back in your country. True. You know what I mean? But in a Donald Trump economy, you will make more money and prosper the most. Why? Because he's actually a business person. So if you're a business person as an African diaspora, your business will flourish like me, I tell you. Because he actually in his own interest. He's a business person, so he might actually make rules to suit his business. And all of these things are going to triple down on you as an American.
Yes.
So in a Donald Trump time, you know, African diaspora people supposed to be wise and say, I make some money and come back home.
Yeah.
Because in a last for long, in a COVID time, amount of people make money. All me make money too. In a Donald Trump time.
But Donald Trump is talking about the immigrants. They might try to get all the immigrants.
So
all the time belong of our brothers and sisters in the US, and Donald Trump still come back with the same talk. Remember, this is what gets him out of business from before, because he wanted to build the Great Wall of America. black out Mexico. And must every country contribute to it, but you still want to push these people out. And immigrants is what build America. If you notice, it's always the immigrants build America. Because typical Americans don't want to do certain type of work. And they think they're just too high. So, oh, I don't want to do this, I don't collect this money. And sometimes typical Americans are lazy, you know, some of them, because they want to sit down and collect well fund and those type of money. But an immigrant person go in the country and work double shift, work his ass off, and he's paying his tax. So when he work more and he pay more tax, he build the country. So Mr. Trump have to know what he do and know what he's saying. You can't want to fight out immigrants, because immigrants is one that's pushing the country. When the people who live in the country is taken from the country from welfare.
But think about it, Ricardo, when these immigrants come in now,
yeah,
them come in and take over all, most of these people, you know, most of these people coming in are maybe Caucasian people, and then tag them as white. So they might filter out the African diaspora, they might not even know that. African diaspora people even know them get filtered out in the US system, because when these Caucasian people come, then just put them as white.
Oh,
it's amazing to build up them counter.
So the Mexican go the same thing.
Yeah, and then them now get actually first preference over you, the African. You know what I mean? So them actually are weedy out, they not even know it by this immigration thing and stuff. So when Donald Trump wants to stop that, when Donald Trump wants to stop that, if you use an African diaspora and a US citizen, you should fight for that, not letting these things, because most of the time African people not even get to come in, my youth.
Yeah, most of the time.
You know what I mean?
But when you filter out all these people that are worse.
And why you think Democrats them do that? Because they want them people to come in and tag them as white.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes.
So it's a way. This world is run on population control and all kind of things.
Yes.
So all of them things are tied in the thing. You're looking at it deep.
What I want to ask Mr. Trump is, what are you doing for the black community?
But Trump,
I haven't heard nothing about what's going to do for black.
Because Trump ain't even do nothing for the black community, you know.
Of course.
Black community do something for themselves. So when Trump,
but they're not the poor. They give them the poor.
No, we not think about it, Ricardo. When Trump start to build in business and start to make laws to protect business, you is an entrepreneur as an African diaspora, and you can capitalize on that. Donald Trump now come and give you welfare and give you money and give you this.
No, we don't.
But by just you, by just you under Donald Trump government, things work out in your favor as an entrepreneur. And as I said, all African diaspora, you know what I mean, entrepreneurship is actually the key and the first step towards, you know what I mean, building back a better Africa.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
True.
So,
but it still have to do something for the black community, because if they don't give them the power, how can they get up and say, okay, let's come together and unite?
But that's what I'm saying, Ricardo. You know, we don't need to go to nobody to tell them, say, yo, you know what I mean?
For unite,
we need to take ourselves and unite.
Yes, we need to take ourselves and
the opportunity for Donald Trump to make some money and come back to Africa. Come help develop the country, come back with some idea.
Like Elon Musk, I heard Elon Musk want to come to Africa and do some business. And if Elon Musk is in Kenya or anywhere in Africa doing business, big business, it's good for the economy because he's going to build it. It's taking nothing to take $1 billion US and develop the place, or put it in our economy and pay off the debt. Yeah, but there's going to be something in return, because nothing comes for free. And the people of the African continent have to understand that. So if he say they want this 10 acres of land, if he's going to pay off all the debt and make the country debt free, give him the 10 acres of land, because there's so many land here.
So Elon Musk can pay off African debt?
Well, not really the whole African debt, but you know, like, for instance, I use one country example, Kenya. If he decide to come to Kenya to do business, it has to be benefiting the country.
Yeah.
And, like, for instance, he can say, okay, I want to open up my main office here. That's a big thing for Kenya, you know. So any country you go and say you want to do this, is a big thing for the country, because it's going to help with the country's GDP.
So a lot of Starlinks about the place, you see them?
Yeah, man. Starlinks are good. It's going on good. A lot of people are turning to it. And that's good, because good internet.
Yeah. And them say Kenya as a special, I think Kenya is the clearest you can see from the events.
What do you mean?
Like, Kenya is when you look up from space, you can see Kenya clear. Like
Really? Why is that so?
search it.
Why is that so? Because of the Starlink?
Not because of Starlink, man, because of how history set up Ricardo from how Earth is.
Yeah.
Because there's a life start in East Africa, you know, so
Yeah.
there's always gonna be something significant about East Africa when it come on.
No,
to
what
life
much you have
and
to do is make
humanity.
sure so they can see East Africa for any little movements and things that go on. Because they know what's going on, but we don't know.
Yeah.
Because why Kenya, they can see Kenya clear from space. Like they can see all the ants. That means they want to see every movement.
The matter is that Kenya is a holy place, Ricardo, and people don't know that.
I think Africa is a holy land.
It's a holy land, but there's
Mm-hmm.
when you have a holy land, there's a sacred place.
Yes, they are. There's secret
So the land,
places, yeah.
so the land of Africa is holy,
Yes.
but there's sacred place in
A lot
Africa,
of
within
secret
Africa.
place, yes.
Yeah.
As we have to know these
Yeah.
places.
Yeah, and channel these things. So all of
Yeah.
these things, you guys, they get you all of these little heights and consultation for free. Right you know.
True.
One Love Africa and Jam Tours Africa there.
Yeah, this is the Breakfast Club. Yeah, so every morning we might have a talk like this, and we have a host where we can join the talk and have debates. So, part 1, episode 1.
Yo,
of
you know, so
season
this
1.
could have be a something there, yo.
It is going to
If
be.
we'd have like a big van or something, we could just set up a studio in it and
Yeah.
call it. You know what I mean?
Podcast,
For
Breakfast
podcast,
Club.
drive around on the podcast
Yeah,
the
show
entire
around
day.
the thing, yeah.
While just chilling in Africa. Yeah, man.
So
drive around
that's
the
how it
podcast.
starts still. And the history is for everybody who are joining now. You can be this at the beginning. So Breakfast Club, episode 1, season 1.
Breakfast
Yeah,
Club
man.
Nairobi.
Breakfast Club Nairobi. Yeah, man. So check it out. This is One Love Africa alongside Jam Tours Africa. And we just drive around and show you guys around. How the place green and nice, the road nice. People is going to work, people is coming from work. Yeah.
This is Riverside family, and if you guys don't know Riverside, as I said, when you come to Kenya, you want to go Riverside, Westlands, Kililmani, Kilileshwa, Lavington. Those are 5
And
areas.
you have Peponi,
Lower
Lower
Kabete,
Kabete. Yeah. And you have Kiambu area,
Westbrook, Brookside,
Brookside.
or in a Westland.
That's true.
Yeah,
Yes, a
so-
nice place, a lot of nice places.
So, guys,
this
so
depends
don't-
on the field what they want.
Yeah, there's what I say. Let's book them, look for places in them place there.
Yeah.
When you are forward, and you can't go wrong, man, and just link up with Jam Tours
Yeah,
because,
man. You can't go wrong.
trust me, man, the service is getting like crazy right now. I'm another
True.
brother to pick up, you know, I'm gonna come in tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah, 10.
At 10. Alright then.
Yeah, so, you know what I mean? People let me see what I want to link up with Jam Tours because gone are the days, man, when you come to Africa, man, you're like a fish without a water, Ricardo, like a headless chicken running
No, it's
around.
different. 'Cause a lot of people
Getting
want to
scammed
move.
all over the
They come,
place.
yes. A lot of people want to come, but they just don't have the network.
Yeah.
To know what the runnings and the in and out.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we there do the street, so we can give pass on the street knowledge to you.
Yes.
We there down on the street. You know what I
Yes,
mean? So you
yes.
can't get scammed. You come like when you come here, so you don't have to think about the extra money. You can come with the exact money and also the exact money you spend. You're not getting no problem.
Yes.
You know what I say?
I can set up a tangible business or something and run.
Yeah, man, because we have enough
Yeah.
ideas to them, you know, man. They never know much ideas Jam Tours. Jam Tours
True.
are just reload ideas soon. And
Yeah,
all
man.
of it is invest the money because we're there for help. So if you,
Yes.
if you need, I mean, I see a lot of products in Kenya. If somebody interested, they can actually just sell, you know, I mean, African brand products or something.
True.
And just link up with Jam
True.
Tours. And say, Jam Tours, when you buy this and ship this to me, ship it off to you to the US or wherever.
Anything can ship you want.
You know what I mean?
You know the US them they selling the stuff them is non-good, it's non-organic, and a lot of things they mix, like all the body products and face products, they mix those with chemicals. So here you have the shea butter, the cocoa butter, and all of the cream, body cream where you need the black soap. Just call them, you get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So viewers and subscribers, as you know, as they say, it's your team, One Love Africa and Jam Tours Africa. Like, subscribe and share. Comment and make sure you talk. Leave a comment in the comment section about the discussion that we're having this morning. What you voting for, Donald Trump or Camila?
Yeah.
Harrison.
Kamala.
Kamala, yeah,
Trump would say
Harrison.
Kamala.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, people you don't know, One Love, and we out.
God bless. Jamaica.
Straight.